Spectrum Xumo not connecting to Wi-Fi? Let's troubleshoot step by step. First, ensure your device is within 30 feet of your router, minimizing walls or obstructions that can block the signal. Next, use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to check for channel overcrowding from nearby networks or smart home devices that might be interfering with your connection. Xumo requires a stable internet connection with at least 10 Mbps for HD streaming. Make sure your connection meets this requirement. Begin troubleshooting by restarting your router and ensuring its firmware is up to date. This often resolves connectivity issues. Confirm your streaming device is compatible with the latest Xumo app version 5.8.2. Compatible devices include Android, iOS, Roku, and Fire TV. Enable WPA3 encryption on your router for enhanced security, but be aware this could cause compatibility problems with older devices. Connectivity issues often come from ISP-side problems like DHCP lease expirations or mismatches between your modem and router. Isolate the problem by testing your Wi-Fi connectivity on other devices and apps before assuming it's specific to Xumo. According to Spectrum's Q2 2025 earnings report, connectivity failures spike by 15 to 20% during peak hours from 7 to 10 p.m. due to network congestion. If problems persist, explore advanced troubleshooting in the next section. If basic steps fail, try clearing the Xumo app's cache, force quitting and relaunching it, or even reinstalling the app. On smart TVs, check for HDMI CEC conflicts or consider a factory reset if necessary. Verify that your device is obtaining an IP address correctly via DHCP and that your DNS settings are valid. As of 2025, AI-driven troubleshooting is emerging. Spectrum is partnering with AI assistants like Spectrum Buddy to help users with real-time fixes. Consider adopting a mesh network system like Eero or Google Nest for better Wi-Fi coverage. If you experienced router issues during summer heat waves, like in June 2025, ensure your router has adequate ventilation. Upgrade to Spectrum's Gigabit plan or install a Wi-Fi 6 extender for multi-device setups. Brian Krebs recommends enabling two-factor authentication on your router to protect against vulnerabilities. By 2027, expect full integration with 6G, potentially reducing Wi-Fi reliance for streaming. Remember, per Spectrum's 2025 support analytics, 70% of reported issues are user-solvable. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support.